I do. I'm a big fan. A big fan of India. I haven't been from an investment point of view for a long time. India was always sort of pegged with this Delhi discount for their heavy bureaucracy and all the issues that they had with infrastructure and energy and all kinds of things. But those things are really changing now, and I think they've set themselves up to surprise to the upside in the next 5 years, as I was saying before.
Okay, so people are comparing India to China. They're saying, India is going to be perhaps the next China. I don't know whether that's even a valid question because the GDP size of both the countries is very different, right? We're talking about a $3.5 trillion economy for India, growing at 6% annually. China is $18 trillion. Even if they grow at 4%, I think that's normalization at that base. But what I want to understand from you is what is the path forward for India? I mean, is that a relevant question that India could be the next China? Is that a relevant question, or is India charting its own course?
It's really charting its own course. As a democracy and such a multi-ethnic society nationwide, India is a very different country than China is today and ever was, quite frankly. So India is doing something quite different. I think that they are charting a course through this middle-income growth trap that has trapped some countries, some emerging markets like Brazil, where things got too expensive early on in their development, rather than staying at good value and then being able to deliver benefits for all of their population. I think with the change in the tax structure, the demonetization of the economy, the digitization of the economy, I think India set itself on a new, different path. True, it's much smaller than China today, and it will be for a very, very long time. But I think it has the chance to enjoy some very high growth years, and I think that's what investors should be looking for.